Hello guys, again and welcome to my channel Mad Aces. So in this today's tutorial I am gonna reveal the David Blaine trick which he performed on Jimmy's show. So what he did first he asked Jimmy to choose whichever 5 cards he may like. So suppose he chooses these 5 cards. So then he shows the 5 card. So as you know, these all card are force. I use a basic force. Let me show you. I use a classic force, but you can use any force. Let me show you one more force. So in this force, what you're gonna do, you're gonna just place 5 cards on the top which you gonna need to force, and then cut the card down just like this, and then riffle through the card. And suppose the spectator says stop, which is right here. Suppose the spectator says stop here, then what you wanna do is that you wanna take here, right here, and finger here, but cut at here. See, just like this. So that's all you wanna do. So that's all you gonna be doing. So that's how you force the first 5 card. And after you did this while forcing 4 card, then he gives this 5 card to Jimmy and tells him to keep 1 card in mind. So after he keeps 1 card in mind, after this what you gonna know, you gonna know the position and sequence of all cards. So Jimmy chooses card like this and spread. So I know this is ace, this is 2, 3, 4 and 5. So I know the sequence of this card because I know what card are these. Then after Jimmy keeps 1 card in mind, suppose he keeps 4 of spade, which is right here. So he asks to place the 4 of spade in the top position. So if I move this card from back, I would know the 4th card is 4 of spade now. So if he move this card, so he know that he kept 4 of spade in his mind. So after this he asks him to shuffle. So whatever now he do, he know that the card was 4 of spade. Then he asks him to place the ace of spade down, 3 down, and this, and remaining card is your card, which is 4 of spade. So that's the first part. And the second part, in which he removed the another deck. So the another deck was actually a deck, ordered stacked deck. It was an ordered stacked deck. I'm not gonna go through that but he used a ordered deck. I will make another video on it. It's actually greater concept because you have to order the card in a particular sequence in that trick. And then I will go in after some time. So leaving that concept, I will jump to the next, where he appears card one by one. So what he does, he first take the deck and deals down 10 card, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Just like that, he deals down 10 card, squaring them up, and hand them over. So in this next step, what happened, he deals down 10 card, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. And after he deals the 10 card, he squares them up and hand this card over to Jimmy, and he asks him to count the card just like this. See, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, and the final card, which is 10, and asks him to put these cards to his chest. So when he put this card to his chest, it seems to be the card number has changed. Now they are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 and 11 12 13. They are 13 cards. So how did this happen? So after he counts the 10 cards, which are actually 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, what he does, he takes a pinky break about these 3 cards and just turn them over. When while picking them up, he also picked these 3 cards just like that. And what happened, so these cards are facing downwards and these cards are facing up. So when you put this down, these cards are facing upwards, so they mix up with this card, and you will only count 10 cards. See, just like this. See, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10, but they are actually 13 card. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13, whatever. So that's the concept he used in the first step. And after this, when he counts the 10 cards, see, after they count the 13 cards just like this, 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13, he shows that he take a break about 5 cards, and after what he does is he takes the break about 5 card here just like this and palm the 5 card just like this, and he literally bangs on the card, mixing these cards. See, just like this. If you do it in off beat, it's much better. So they suppose they count the 10 card just like this, and he had palmed the card already, so he just, so these are the 10 cards. He says these are the 10 cards. See, I had mixed the card already. Now, so literally what he does, he bangs the card on this 13 card, increasing the count of the card. So now they are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 and 18. So that's what it does. So if you want to know a tutorial on palming a card, I had already made a video on palming a card. Let me show you. So he just spread out card like this, take a pinky break, and while in the act of scaring the card, he just palm the card just like this. And when, so after they count the cards are actually spread this way. The cards are mass when he counts the cards. So he just bangs. So these are the 13 cards. So that's when he add the card just like that. So that's what he does. So that's how he adds. And now coming to the next concept where he forces the number 5, actually uses a concept which is known as the magician choice. Whatever number here he may have chosen, he have manipulated it to always to 5, because first he asks him to choose a number from 1 to 10 and then 1 to 5. That's how he manipulates the number. And one more thing, how he forces the number 3 in the second step. When he added 3 cards, he actually uses the force which is known as the waterfall force, which looks something like this. Suppose I had to force the 7, which I will show you right here. So this is the 7. Suppose I have to force this 7, which is right here. So I will just cut it to the top and take a break like this and spring the card, and when they stop, I will just stop here. Or you can also use a normal force which looks something like this. Just put the card at the normal, ask them to stop. Suppose they say stop here, just swing cut the card and show them their card just like this. This creates a misdirection, creating illusion that the card has actually come from the middle. See, just like this, and place it in the middle. So that's the trick that David Blaine performed. Hope you like it. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Peace out.